Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping into a world where Scandinavian design meets the open road. Magine combining the raw power and style of a Lamborghini with the comfort of a five-star hotel. That's exactly what the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome delivers. Today, we're taking you on a full tour, from its jaw-dropping exterior to its ultra-luxurious interior. And trust me, you've never seen anything like this on wheels before. Let's start with the exterior. At first glance, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome looks like a Lamborghini Aventador stretched into a futuristic RV. The body is low and wide, giving it that signature supercar stance. The sharp lines and angles scream Lamborghini DNA, while the massive windshield wraps around like a fighter jet cockpit. This isn't just for style, it improves aerodynamics and gives the driver an incredible view of the road ahead. The front fascia features Lamborghini's iconic Y-shaped LED headlights, aggressive air intakes, and a sculpted hood that channels air perfectly over the roof. On the sides, you'll notice massive alloy wheels with carbon ceramic brakes, aerodynamic side skirts, and electronically hidden storage compartments that open with a touch. Move to the back, and it's just as dramatic. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the rear with a diffuser-inspired bumper and quad exhaust tips. There's even an optional active spoiler that deploys at highway speeds for added stability. The entire body is crafted from lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum, keeping the weight down and performance up. But the outside is only half the story. Let's step inside. And this is where Lamborghini redefines what a motorhome can be. As soon as the door slides open, you're welcomed into an interior that feels like a luxury penthouse. Lamborghini's craftsmanship is everywhere. Premium Italian leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber on every surface. The front cockpit is pure Lamborghini. Flat-bottom steering wheel, digital instrument cluster, and the iconic fighter jet-style flip switch for the start button. The dashboard is dominated by a massive touchscreen infotainment system that controls everything, from navigation to climate to lighting. You can even select Lamborghini's driving modes, Strada, Sport, and Corsa, to adjust the suspension and power delivery, giving you a true supercar driving experience in a motorhome. Move to the lounge area, and it feels like stepping into a private club. There are electronically adjustable seats that recline, rotate, and even massage. A huge retractable OLED TV drops down from the ceiling, and the panoramic glass roof can switch from clear to tinted at the touch of a button. The kitchen area is fully loaded. You get a smart induction cooktop, built-in espresso machine, fridge, freezer, and even an AI-powered pantry that suggests recipes based on what you have stocked. Every drawer and cabinet is soft close and motorized for that ultra-premium feel. Heading toward the back, the bedroom is like a five-star suite. A king-size smart bed adjusts to your sleeping position, ambient lighting sets the perfect mood, and hidden storage compartments keep everything organized. There's even a built-in sound system, tuned by Lamborghini's audio engineers to create a surround sound experience. The bathroom is just as luxurious. There's a rainfall shower with temperature memory settings, heated floors, touchless faucets, and premium fixtures. It feels more like a spa than a typical RV bathroom. Now, let's talk about performance, because this is still a Lamborghini. Under the hood, you get a hybrid V12 engine paired with electric motors, producing mind-blowing horsepower. This motorhome can accelerate like a sports car, yet it's quiet and smooth when cruising thanks to the electric drive mode. Adaptive suspension keeps the ride comfortable on any terrain, while advanced safety tech ensures total control at high speeds. Everything in the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is about creating an unforgettable experience. Whether you're on a cross-country trip or just parked at a luxury resort, it's more than transportation. It's a lifestyle statement. So, what do you think of the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome? Would you take this on a road trip across the country? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more insane luxury vehicle reviews, and share this with someone who dreams of traveling in style.